Hello everybody, it's AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a video about how to do a Google Ads on your YouTube channel, and I'm going to go through step by step, so let's go right into it. So I'm going to click on one of my videos, and you guys can just do Google Ads to get your video more aware out there to see how it would do when you get ads, start putting some dollars to it, or start putting some money behind it. So what you guys want to do is when you click on your video, go to edit video. Right, when you guys go to edit your video, you guys are going to see these three little boxes on the top right, three little dots. Click that and click promote. You guys should get a screen that says something like this. Click get started. And make sure you guys copy this right here. You guys will need this. Alright, when you're on Google Ads, what you guys want to do is make sure you guys create you guys a video. So for this one, I'm going to click on this URL. I'll click on this one right here. No. What's going on? Alright, so since this is not working for the search, what I will do is type in my video. It's global debt 2020. Type my name in. I got my video. That's going to be only on YouTube. Click the URL and hit next. Alright, so what do you guys want to have your video at and what language? So mine will be just English, and mine will be the United States. Alright, hit next. So you can click what type of video you want for the type of viewer, you know, the gender, the age, parental status, stuff like that. Perform weekly, how much you want to do, estimated cost. Just hit next. So you guys can do what kind of section. You can just keep it as broad as possible if you want to. That's what I'm gonna do for this one. And this is where you put your money in, and you guys can do like I would say at least do $30 a day to make it worth your time. So you're looking at 15K to 33K impressions on an estimated weekly performance. 1 cent to 3 cents per click, not too bad. If you guys do higher numbers, like $100 a day, vastly grows. You know, I usually do at least $30 a day when it comes to one of my ads, and from there you just click next, and that's it. You'll be able to run your campaign. And if you get any denials or get approved or anything denied, just click up this tab right here, and it'll give you the detailed information, this little bell. But that's it, guys. That's how you do a Google Ads on your YouTube channel to help promote it. So when you see things like this in the top right hand corner, let's see. And when you guys watch the video and you click on it, it'll be like ads. You'll be able to do that. So you'll be able to rank first for the most part and be able to get clicked and hopefully get some more subscribers. But thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you.